Okay, really quickly, I want to talk about this ad from Cantu featuring Sky Jackson. I just want to preface this. This has nothing to do with Sky Jackson. I'm just talking about the ad in general.
Cantu stepped up. They were formulated and their products are better than ever. Trust me, it really works.
Typically in advertisement, you see a lot of staging for products. For example, for food, if you have a stack of pancakes and there's whipped cream on top, a lot of the time it's shaving cream so it doesn't melt. Like, I completely understand that aspect. But when you're doing an ad solely for hair and you never see her use the product even once, and the majority of the time she's either in wigs or extensions, it's just like, you can't even see her use it on either the synthetic hair or the human hair or whatever she has, or her natural hair. You can't see anything about the product. And in my personal opinion, I don't think holding the product with wigs or extensions or you part wig or whatever and just holding it is enough for an advertisement. You don't even see her take like a little dollop and put it on like the little end of her hair or anything. Like, wow, you don't see anything. Like, what? But not using the product at all has me like, does it work though? And I just go back to like when I used to use Cantu when I was a teenager. Like, that made my hair so dry. Like, I'm not gonna lie, you know, that was a rough time, because at that time we really only had Cantu, and it made my hair so dry.